Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to install and get Amazon Flex app. So guys, in order for you to download the application, it is a very easy way to do it. Just go to your Google Play Store on your device. So guys, when you have a new phone, Google Play Store will be available on your phone, and just sign in using your account in order for you to download this. And after you sign in, just search for the Amazon Flex on the search bar on the top. And then from here, as you can see, we will have multiple options. We have Flexor for Amazon Flex, and a Flex Driver, Flex Riders, Amazon Flex Helper, Amazon Flex Debit Card. And guys, just tap on any app. And then from there, if you want to install the application, you can just go ahead and tap on install. And then from there, it will automatically download it on your phone and just wait for it to download. And then once it is done downloading, guys, you can just go ahead and open it right away. And then from there, you'll be able to install and get Amazon Flex app. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.